So this week is all about Galantis. I've got Galantis in London, Galantis in Glasgow. First up, London. Let's go. So, got a day in London with the brother, got a gig tonight, got a night out after that. This is the part of the vlog where I'm going to put my drone up in the air.
And Sir joke.
Nah, you can't use drones in London. All I know is, I'm here for the day, let's go do something.
We've been on this road to a place that one day we'll know. Adventure to the other side. Searching high and low for the treasure deep in your soul. The fortune teller's always right. Got them red eyes in the night, like a panther out of sight. Gonna sing my battle cry, 'cause I am the
I was saying before, I've got a show to go. Wait 2 seconds. So I've not seen my brother in about 7 weeks, so it's the first time we're catching up. Calls for a toast. Cheers. Yo! Let's go. Yo! Until next time, Galantis round 1 done. Round 2 in a couple of days.
Have fun.
See you after.
See you later. Have fun.
Try not to sleep too much.
I'll try not to.
Bye.
Peace.
So that's my little London trip over. It's Galantis round 1 done. I'm ready for round 2. From London back to Glasgow. So, London was fun with Galantis, but I'm back in my hometown Glasgow for round number 2, Hydro. Ooh yeah. So, I'm actually just back from Utrecht, Holland. I was there for the day for dance fair. That's going to be a separate vlog.
This is Armin van Buren, and you're watching the vlog of Groundland.
Let's go. Let's go.
Thank you to Galantis for sourcing the tickets out tonight. We've got VIP. What does that mean?
Very important people.
that's a wrap in this vlog. It's from London to Glasgow. I will see you next time. Ciao.